Hi, I'm Sarah from Graco. I'm going to show you how to install your Extend2Fit 3-in-1 car seat in rear-facing mode using the vehicle seat belt. First, store the tether hook on the ring on the back of the seat and make sure the lower anchors are stored on the side of the seat. Recline the car seat using the handle on the front or back of the seat into one of the 4 rear-facing seat positions. Make sure it clicks into place. Place the car seat rear-facing in your vehicle. If using the extension panel, adjust using the handle at the front to any of the 4 positions. Make sure the base of the car seat is flat on the vehicle seat and at least 80% of the base is on the vehicle seat. Make sure the vehicle is on level ground. Then check the level indicator to ensure the bubble is completely within the correct zone for your child. If it's not, adjust the recline. Route the vehicle seat belt through the blue rear-facing belt path, making sure it lies flat and isn't twisted. You may need to lift up the seat pad to expose the belt path. Then, buckle the seatbelt. Make sure that the vehicle seatbelt is in front of the buckle strap when the buckle is in the innermost position and is behind when in the outermost position. To lock your vehicle seatbelt, slowly pull the shoulder belt all the way out and then let it go back in. You will hear a clicking sound. Slowly pull out on the belt to ensure it is locked. To tighten the vehicle seat belt, place your hand on the center of the seat and pull on the shoulder belt while feeding the slack back into the retractor. Test for tightness. Place your hands at the rear-facing belt path and move the seat side to side and front to back. It should not move more than 1 inch. If the seat moves more than 1 inch, retighten the vehicle seat belt, then retest for tightness. Recheck the level indicator to ensure it's still completely in the correct zone for your child. Your car seat is now installed.